Welcome. If Snapchat's constant pop-up notifications are getting on your nerves, you're not alone. Those little banners can be distracting, especially when you're trying to focus on something important. The good news is you can easily turn off the miscellaneous pop-up notifications in just a few steps, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. First, grab your phone and open your main settings app. This is where all your device controls live. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find apps and tap on it. Depending on your device, it might also be labeled as apps and notifications, but it's essentially the same thing. Next, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through until you find Snapchat, then tap on it. This will open the app's specific settings where you can manage permissions, storage, and notifications. Now tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the different notification options Snapchat offers. To get more control, look for notification categories and tap on it. This section breaks down notifications into more detailed types, giving you better customization. From the list of categories, find and tap on Miscellaneous. This is where Snapchat groups certain general alerts that often trigger pop-up banners. Once you're inside the miscellaneous settings, look for the option labeled Show as Pop-up. All you need to do here is toggle this option off. As soon as you turn it off, Snapchat will stop displaying those pop-up notifications on your screen.